Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an extreme bathroom makeover. For those that are new, my name is Sarah and I make videos on all sorts of fun things from DIY projects to home decor. Now today we're going to be doing a bathroom makeover from my condo. I moved into this condo about 3 months ago, and when I did from my old place, I kind of just brought everything and put it into the bathroom. So as you can see, the storage cabinet, which is way too big for this tiny little bathroom, and wall decor, which definitely does not go. I really wanted to bring a little bit more light into this space because as you can see, there is absolutely no natural light coming in, and the countertop as well as the tiles are more of a yellowish color. So everything needs to change. The countertop, the tiles, the wall art, the litter area, it's so congested, as well as this medicine cabinet, which seems to be very untidy with everything being shown. So through this makeover, I'll be doing these little changes, and if you're interested in seeing the end result, then keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a lot more makeover videos like this. Now let's get into it. So I got these towels from Amazon and they're finally here, and I'm so excited because they're super easy to put on. They're just basically peel-on vinyl. So if you're living in a rental unit like I am, then you don't have to worry about physically changing the tiles. You just put these on and it will immediately transform your bathroom or any other space that you're trying to retile. So let's get started. Now that the tiles are done, for the counter, I'm going to be using this marble vinyl sticker, and it's going to make it look a lot more brighter and get rid of this yellow ugly hue.
Are you okay?
Yes. I mean, no. I mounted this frame with the 3M tape because I didn't want to drill any holes, and now it's all coming off and I need it to come off, so I think you're gonna have to help me. So I made this frame at home using my Cricut because I have it, and I did make a DIY video on it, so if you're interested, definitely check it out. I just thought it was so much cheaper for me to do this at home rather than placing an order online, and look at how great it turned out. Okay, so let's talk about the budget. I'm only including the items that I purchased for the makeover and not some of the decorative pieces that were already in my home and I just repurposed them for the bathroom. Let's start with the floor tiles. Because my bathroom is quite small, I only needed to buy 2 sets of 10 tiles each to cover about 20 square footage, so the total for me was $32. For my countertop, I bought 1 roll of the marble adhesive vinyl, which was $14, and for the wooden hanging shelves, which comes in a pack of 2, that was $32. For the wall art, because I did it at home, the cost for me was $5, as well as the flower vase, which I made at home for $3. If you'd like to see a DIY video on how I made the flower vase, then check out the link listed in my description. And that's about it. If you're thinking of giving your bathroom a makeover, then I hope that this video gave you some ideas and I wish you the best of luck. Until next time, bye!